Hey, I want to thank this brand for sending these products for me to try. This is the whipped cleanser, and it comes out just the way it sounds. So nice and whipped, really easy to use, cleansed my skin very nicely. There's no scent to it at all. Very pure, very mild, as it says. And I love Korean skincare. We all know that they just got it going on. And then they sent also the toner, which I love using a toner after I usually will double cleanse my face. I'll take my makeup off and then I'll use a cleanser and then putting a toner on, whether it's with like a cotton pad or just like tapping it into your skin. It's very refreshing. But look, I mean, I just love, this is it's a very clean feeling line of products. And then their moisturizer. This is the 2-time barrier intensive cream. And again, no scent, very mild type cleanser or lotion, but look how it comes out. It's like a little circle and it comes out. So, but it just goes on very easily. It absorbed into my skin very nicely and it didn't feel sticky or tacky afterwards. But so far, I'm really impressed with these products.